Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account name on your Windows 11 computer. This is very easy to do. So you can do this two different ways. If you go to search right here and then type this specifically in, this will be netplwiz. Go to on the top under best matches and go to run command. Otherwise, you can press the Windows button and the R key at the same time and then open up the command window right here and then just type it in netplwiz. Then go to OK. Then this window will open up where it says users accounts. Go to where it says your account name and go to property. And then you can type in a new name right here. Once you type in the new name, you can simply go to apply and OK. Then what you want to do is go to the start menu and go to restart your computer. And when you restart it and start it back up again, the new changes will take effect. And your new name will display now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.